Audio Jungle.
Life is full of numbers. Imagine the moment you were born. Your parents probably noted the time you were born, and weight and height, and the most important by counted your fingers and toes. From then, the numbers accompany us throughout our life. And now, what are the other contexts where you use the numbers? We can use the numbers to calculate our age and keep track our income and savings after expenditures, and we can calculate our wealth also. The growth and future of our country highly depends upon the quality of the school education. Education is an important tool which is very useful in everybody's life. It helps a person to take a better and informed decision with the use of their knowledge. This increases the success rate of a person in life. And now, when you are talking about the subjects, mathematics plays a very important role in our life. Mathematics is a key to opportunities. Mathematics now contributes direct and fundamental ways to business, finance, health, and defense. For students, it opens doors to career. For citizens, it enables informed decisions. For nations, it provides knowledge to compete in technological community. Now we understood that how mathematics plays a very important role in our life. But at the same time, so many students are facing difficulties to study the subject. In every class, there are minimum 50% students who feel difficult in maths. There are so many reasons behind this difficulty. Some of the reasons are lack of interest, feeling sleepy while learning maths, feeling bored, doing something else when the teacher teaches in front of the class, lazy to do math revision or task, or seeking help when facing difficulty. Perceived math as too difficult and confusing, difficulty in doing math exercises, poor time management, and easily forget. Do not understand the way of answering questions, and most important, lack of basic concepts. So, can you imagine the life without numbers? No, right? So, the numbers generally, the numbers which we will use for the counting, those numbers are called counting numbers, and those numbers are only, we can say, natural numbers, right? So the numbers, natural numbers are denoted with n. So these numbers are starts from 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. So these numbers generally used for counting. So that's why these numbers we also called as counting numbers, right? So on these counting numbers we can do any operations. So what are the operations we have? Operations, right? So addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the division, right? So these are the counting numbers, are also called as natural numbers. We have the operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So we can do addition of these natural numbers. For example, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, like that. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, right? Multiplication, if you go, 2 into 2 is 4. If you do the division, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, so if we include 0, to natural numbers, so the set is called whole numbers, right? Whole numbers are denoted with a W. So whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 again up to infinite. So these all our numbers are natural numbers. If we include 0 to natural numbers, this set is called a whole number. Let us assume a 4-digit number, 4, 3, 2, 5. In this, each one is called a digit, right? So 5 is one digit, 2 is one of the digit, 3 and 4 like that. So each one is called as a digit, right? So how many digits are there in this number? Totally 4 digits. So how we will pronounce this number? right? So 4325. How we can able to pronounce this number 4325 or 325? So it depends upon the place values of the number, right? So place values. So place values, ones, tens, hundreds, okay, so thousands, 10,000s, right? So lakhs, 10 lakhs, then crores, then 10 crores, right? Up to 4 digits only, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have the maximum place value is 1000. So that's why 4 is in the place of thousands place, 3 is in the hundreds place, 2 is tens place, 5 is in ones place. So that's why 4325. This number is 4325. And the digits are separated with commas. So how to separate the digits with the commas? So from the right side, we have to count from right side. First comma we have to keep after 3 digits. So this is a Indian numeration, Indian system of numeration. First comma we will take after 3 digits. Afterwards 2 digits. For example, right, first comma after 3 digits, right, afterwards 2 digits. So by separating with commas, we can able to understand the number very easily, right? So one see, up to here is hundreds, thousands, lakhs, and this is a crore. Nothing but 1 crore, 23 lakhs, 43,767 is the number. So by using the comma, we can understand the number that may be any larger number easy. Include 0 to natural numbers, we will get the whole numbers, right? So whole numbers are denoted with W, right? In natural numbers are starts from 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. So if you include 0 to these numbers, now this set is called whole numbers, and these whole numbers are denoted with W, right? So these all the numbers are positive numbers only, and we know that we have the negative numbers also, right? If we include negative numbers to the W, nothing but whole numbers, what we will get? Integers. So the integers are denoted with I or Z, right? So some of the integers are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinite again, right? So here integers are nothing but the combination of negative numbers and positive numbers including with 0. So 0 is a neutral number, not a negative number nor a positive number, right? It is a neutral number. Now let us consider a number line. Number line is nothing but what? A line which is consists numbers. A line which consists numbers is called number line. So let us assume some integers on the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. Right. So if you observe on the number line from left to right, the numbers will be in the increasing manner. The numbers from left to right, all the numbers should be in increasing manner only. So by this we can compare the numbers also. by using the number line we can compare the numbers. What we are saying that from left to right all the numbers are in the increasing manner, nothing but minus 3 is less than minus 2. Now minus 2 is less than minus 1, same like that only. Minus 1 is less than 0, minus 1 is less than plus 1. It is nothing but all the positive numbers are greater than negative numbers. So between the positive and negative numbers 0 will be there, right? So by this we can conclude that all the negative numbers we will get left side of the 0 and all the positive numbers will get the right side of the 0. So all the negative numbers are less than positive numbers, even less than to the 0, right? So minus 3 is less than minus 2. So like this, if you continue the numbers, somewhere you will get here minus 100, minus 1000, like that. It is nothing but minus 100 is less than the minus 3 or not? Yes. So why? Because by using the number line we can conclude that minus 100 is left side of the minus 3. So that's why we can say minus 100 is less than the minus 3. Right? How to do the operations by using the number line? Once observe here, right? So when you are adding positive number, we have to move left to right on the number line, right? And when we add for example, I am taking the numbers 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. The sum we have to get 5. So let us observe by using the number line how we will get. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So any one of these two numbers we can directly consider on the number line first. Then another number we have to move that many number of steps. So first of all 2, I am selecting 2 here. Then how much is the number? 3. So jump then right side. What I told you, when we are adding a positive number, this is a positive number or not? So this positive number we are adding, that's why we have to move right side on the number line, right? So from 2, 1, 2, 3. So what we got the answer? 5. Right? So when you are adding positive, we have to move right side. What we have to do? When you are adding a positive number, we have to move right side on the number line, right? So next, when you are subtracting, so subtracting positive number, we have to move left side of the number line. So same like that only, take the number line. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let us consider one calculation. 3 minus 2. Right. How much we have to get? Actually general calculation 3 minus 2 is 1. So let us observe on the number line. So first look at 3 on the number line. So here it is 3. Right. So next what we have to do? Subtraction of the positive number, we have to move left side. So how many steps we have to move? 2 steps from 3. Right. 1, 2. So what we got the answer? 1. Right. So subtracting a positive number, we have to move left side on the number line, right? So next, let us observe about negative numbers. So if you are adding negative number, what we have to do? We have to move left side on the number line, right? Let us consider. So 3 plus minus 2, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first directly look at 3 on the number line. Right here it is the number 3. So what I told you, adding negative number, we have to move left side on the number line. So from 3, 2 steps. So what is the answer? 1. Right, then subtracting a negative number, we have to move right on the number line. Right. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Subtracting. So 3 minus of minus 1. So first locate 3 on the number line. Yes, here it is. Then what I told you, subtracting a negative number, we have to move right side. So 1 step. So what is the answer? 4. Operation multiplication by using the number line. So how to do the multiplication? Right, let us consider one example, 2 into 3. Right. So here first number is 2. So in this all the numbers we have to make two numbers as one group, right? And multiplication every time we have to start from 0 only, not like addition subtraction. So any one number will consider there. First we will note that. But here in the multiplication we have to start from 0 only, right? So any one number first we can consider. So I am taking here 2, nothing but two numbers as one group we have to consider, right? And next, how many steps we have to move? 3 steps, right? So first we have to start from 0 only, nothing but 1, 2 as one group, 1 gem, right? Like that, how many gems we have to do? 3, right? 1, so 1, 2, second step, 1, 2, third step. So where we are now? At 6. So the answer is 6. Same like that, you can do any multiplication. One of the number as a group we have to take, and then remaining one number, that many number of steps we have to move to the right side. Let us see some examples about the integers, right? So first question, represent the following statements using signs of integers. Okay, so the temperature of the Hyderabad is 42 degrees above the 0 degrees. Above, here what he said? Above the 0 degrees. So above the 0 degrees is nothing but above the numbers of 0. What the numbers we will get? All the positive numbers only. So nothing but this 42 degrees also above the 0 we are getting, means this 42 should be a positive number. So the answer is plus 42 degrees. Right. Next, the aeroplane is flying at a height of 2500 meters. So what is saying? Aeroplane is flying at a height of. Aeroplane always flies above the ground level or not? Right. So above the ground level is nothing but again this number should be a positive number. So here also we have to take as a positive. So 2500 meters. Right. Next one. The submarine is 1200 meters under the sea. Under. So to the ground level, this is below the ground level. So this 1200 meters should be a negative number, right? So the answer is minus 1200 meters, right? Next one, the price of oil raises rupees 5 per liter from today. So what he is saying? Raises. Raise means again increasing only. Increasing is nothing but we will get a positive number only. To the 0, if it is increasing, that is a positive number. So here the answer is plus 5 rupees. Right? And now see the next question. Write the integers between minus 10 and minus 2. Show on the number line. Right? So first of all we have to observe these numbers on the number line first. So what are the numbers we'll get between minus 10 and minus 2? we'll observe from the number line. So let us take first a number line, and both are including negative numbers only. So I am taking from 0, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, right. So the numbers are given as minus 10 and minus 2, and we know that on the number line left side number will be less than the right side number. So comparing to the minus 2, minus 10 is less number now, lesser. Okay, so between minus 10 and minus 2, how many numbers are there? Minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. So these are the numbers we have between minus 10 and minus